Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening YouTube in a browser or app and signing into the exact account that holds premium. This ensures you change the right membership. Once signed in, go straight to Profile, then Purchases and Memberships, and tap Manage Membership so you see current plan details. Make sure your payment method is active and you remember your password because you may need to authenticate before changing plans. This avoids delays when you pick a different tier or family option. Now choose the plan you want and why. Family if you need up to 6 members, student for verified students, or a different regional tier. Once you tap Change Plan, YouTube shows prorated charges or the new billing date. Review those numbers carefully so you know what you'll pay this cycle. After that, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the upgrade or downgrade, authenticate with your password or device biometrics, and wait for the confirmation screen to appear. Finish by checking your inbox for a confirmation email, and then revisit Purchases and Memberships to confirm the new plan appears. This verifies billing updated. If you originally subscribed through Google Play or the App Store, remember to manage the subscription there instead of YouTube. If something goes wrong, such as no plan update or duplicate billing, sign out and sign back in, clear app cache, or restart the device. If problems persist, contact YouTube support with account and transaction details for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.